Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step guide on how to recover your deleted Instagram post. So let's start. First, open up your Instagram app and click your profile. And here, I actually accidentally deleted this post right here, which I'm going to do just to demonstrate. So normally you're gonna click the three lines in the top right corner. If it has not been 30 days, then you can actually just recover it here. As you can see by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner and click restore. But if it is gone more than 30 days, then you need to follow this video step by step. So click again to your Instagram profile and then need to click on the three lines in the top right corner and click on settings, scroll down and click on help. And next click report a problem. So what we need to do right here is to actually explain to Instagram that we want to get our post back again even if it has gone more than 30 days. Basically, you need to explain to them please bring my post back again that I accidentally deleted. It has been more than 30 days and I'm not able to recover it in the app. Just explain to them that you are not able to recover it in the app, because if you don't explain to them, then they will probably reply back to you something like, yeah, but you can just go in the app and just restore it. And the thing is, you need to show them some kind of evidence, like if you remember the date you actually deleted the post, and write it here as well, because it will give them they are gonna understand what kind of photo or post you actually want to recover. So send them as much evidence as you can, and when you're done, just click send. I hope that you have been able to follow this video step by step, and see you on the next one.